Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bathroom sink vanities and accessories that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Bathroom Sinks. Bathroom sink choices for today's homeowners are vast, covering a wide spectrum of colors, styles, and types. Knowing all the brands and models available to you can make your buying process less daunting and more enjoyable. Here we will review the top bathroom sinks on the market today and give you a buying guide for the best bathroom sinks. Number 5. Resilia Diamond Plate Under the Sink Mat. This easy-to-use, anti-stain plastic mat will protect the wood under your sink against unwanted stains from dirt, water, soap, and other spills. Easy to clean with soap and water. Main features: heavy-duty protection. Cuts to size. Made in USA. Number 4. Humcom 24 inches pedestal sink bathroom vanity cabinet. Under-sink vanity cabinet combines contemporary style with ample storage space. Open back design so the vanity can be assembled under or beside your pedestal sink. Main features: style and storage. Budget-friendly. Adjustable shelving. Number 3. Kohler K2355 Zero Archer Undermount Bathroom Sink. Vitreous china with overflow without faucet holes, includes clamp assembly, classic rectangular basin, overflow drain. Main features: classic rectangular basin with beveled edges. No faucet or faucet holes. Vitreous china for lasting beauty. Number 2. Plumpack 400 PVC KP Trap PVC. Made of PVC for easier cutting and glue applications, includes a reversible J-bend to accommodate both standard and low inlet applications. Wall bend. Main features: PVC P-trap for bathrooms or kitchens. Available in polished chrome. Includes a Schedule 40 trap adapter. Number 1. Nantucket Sinks UM16x11W Rectangle Ceramic Undermount Vanity. Main features: exterior dimensions, 18 inches by 12.875 inches. Interior dimensions, 16 by 10.875. This sink has a 1.75 drain diameter. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.